and welcome to the another video. In this video, we are going to discuss more about Nifty Bank Nifty levels and few stocks for tomorrow's trading session, that is 28th of October. Before that, we have seen a good momentum on to a Bank Nifty especially, and we have seen around 700 point move in Bank Nifty in a single day. So this is overall price structure we have seen on daily time frame. The last trading session was a downside movement, and it has opened somewhere gap up and retesting this gap again, and it has given a very nice upside move. Right now, the little bit confusion and the part is near it is resistance zone, which is around 24,850 830, and right now Bank Nifty is near to same zone. So it is very much important whether Bank Nifty will give breakout in next trading session or not about this conjunction of resistance. Okay, so let's start and analyzing the levels for tomorrow's trading session. So let's start with smaller time frame and 5 minute time frame. So let's start the overall important area of high and low, which is around 23,924, and the high is 24,809. So this is the low and high important area of demand and supply, we call it. And now let's mark the level for support and resistance. So for support, we just take simply Fibonacci retracement, which comes around the 38% comes around 24,450, which was actually we have marked at the resistance previous day, and the same good breakout appears and then retesting those level, and it has given a good upside moment. Same level we are marking here, 24,450 spot level, also a 38% retracement level, which is important area of support for the Bank Nifty for next trading session. Let me convert to the 15-minute time frame to mark the important area of resistance, and we have seen this is the area of conjunction of resistance. Price rejection happens here, and again Bank Nifty at the same level. If tomorrow, if gap up opening or some kind of good momentum breakout appear on a smaller time frame like 15-minute 5-minute time frame, we will see good further upside momentum may possible. So let's mark the level for the important area of resistance. So I'm just taking one retracement again, and this is the 161%, which is 25,400 level. Okay, so let me mark this level as the important area of the resistance for Bank Nifty, 25,400. So let me also mark the levels, write down the levels, so it will helpful to you also. So resistance is around 25,400, and important support is around 24,450. These are the two levels you should watch for tomorrow's trading session. Let me convert to the Nifty index now, and starting with the daily time frame, we have seen this is a good inside bar candle previous day, and the entire candle, this today's candle is entirely covered by yesterday candle, we called it inside bar, and it is also some kind of resistance is still intact around 12,000 level. 12,000 is also a round number level and psychological resistance also, and Nifty is struggling to go about 12,000 level. So this is a very crucial zone for Nifty index. So let's check on a smaller time frame, and this is the low here. Here is the low, 11,722, and this is the high for Nifty index around 11,900. So these are the two levels of 27th October, high and low of the day. So now let me mark the important area of resistance. So here are the resistance exactly around 12,000. So I'm going to mark the 12,000 is the important area of resistance for Nifty index. And Let me mark the support zone, just taking some retracement here. So 50% retracement comes around 11,800. I have just took 11,800 is a round number also, so that's why taking 50% of Fibonacci retracement. So let me mark the level also here. Let me write down the level. 12,000 is the resistance zone and 11,800 is the area of support. So these are the two levels you can watch for tomorrow's trading session. Okay, let me check few stocks for you. So let me convert to the 15-minute time frame, and also let me enable the moving average and the RSI also. So first stock for tomorrow's trading session is UPL. We have shortlisted. UPL is trading near to the important area of cluster of resistance on smaller time frame here. Moving average resistance also appear. Importantly, it has uh, lastly these last two candles are very high volumes. So expecting a good price momentum above this high 441, buy above 441, expecting price to move around. This is a area of resistance 450, and you can keep your stop loss near this cluster of support around 434. Okay, so this is the one stock for as a bullish stock for tomorrow's trading session. The next stock is Aurobindo Pharma from Pharma Space. It has also given a good opening today and retraces back to the moving average, and again taking support above the moving average. Importantly, last few candles says bullish candle with higher volumes on smaller time frame. Uh, you can buy this stock about the high of this 798 and keep your stop loss around this area of moving average around 790, expecting a price to go around 815, which is a resistance zone for Aurobindo Pharma. So these are the two stocks, UPL and Aurobindo Pharma is a bullish stocks for next day, that is 28th of October. And I hope you like this video, and if you like the way we analyze the levels for next day, you can hit the like button, you can subscribe to my channel, wait for my another video. Thank you so much.